Hey girlies, watch me as I curl my client hair. Of course, I'm using the Kelly J Luxe Shine Oil as a heat protectant to protect her hair before putting the heat on the hair. And of course, I use the Kelly J Mold and Shine Foam to mold her hair down. You see that mold, it's in there, yeah. Okay, so guys, when you guys book an appointment, you book an appointment at kellyj.com. You also can get the products at kellyj.com. My Luxe Shine Oil, my Mold and Shine Foam, my short kit for the short hair girlies. You can get the wig kit there too as well. But guys, when you book an appointment with me, it will be a custom appointment. You guys, no two heads are the same. No hairline, hair texture, anything the same. So when you come to Kelly J Beauty, just know you're going to get the custom look for the girls, okay? No one is going to be walking around with your look, because why? Your look is your look. Your head is your hair. As you see my girl, she's coming right on together. And you see me moving around the head a lot, just because it's like really no rhyme, no reason to how I curl. I just go with the flow, my feelings, my vibes, my love for the hair. So whether you a short girl, pixie girl, medium hair length girl, book your appointment today at kellyj.com. I got you, girls. Especially if you're in the Atlanta area, I do mobile appointments as well. So if you guys need me to come to you, because some girls just love that in-house styling, and I will come to you and get you right, okay? But if you want to come to me, you can come. Book your appointment again at kellyj.com and come and get these looks. Okay, you see how that Kelly J Mold and Shine Foam got this lady hair moldy down, okay? And all I'm doing is just going in, curling her down for the gods, because that's what I do when I do it, okay? So my boo is getting ready for her music video shoot. She is actually an artist. I'm going to tag her information below because her music is so bomb. I want all you guys to hear it. And yeah, so look at my girl coming right on through, giving Tony, giving a young Tony, giving that girl, giving top tier only, giving Kelly J Beauty, giving a beauty, okay? You see, all my girls are that girl. I love y'all for that. Look at that, coming right on through. So you guys already know you're gonna get the Kelly J experience. It is a luxe experience. It is that it girl experience. It is experiencing the top tier, okay, girls? At this point, I've done a lot of talking. I'm really trying to see what type of content y'all want from me, long form content or short form content. And I'm just about to give you guys, more content, because why not? We're living in a world of content. So you guys want to get this Kelly J Beauty content, and I'm going to post more for you guys. I'm going to video more for you guys and just give you what you guys really want. That's us getting that back together, because everybody's back is different. Remember I told you we're all different. We were not created equal in this world. So we're getting her back together how she wants it to lay, okay? I'm going to give you guys some before and after pictures on the next one. So come back from part 2.